Oh, hi. Good evening. How are you? Oh, hi, Jack. Yeah, I'm really good today. How about you? Yeah, I'm really good too. I am just on my way home from work, going back to my house. What are you doing here? I'm here waiting on my friend. We are going to go to the swimming pool tonight. Oh, wow. Are you swimming just for exercise? Yeah. We like to go there around 2 or 3 times every week. It is my favorite type of exercise. Do you like to swim? Actually, I can swim, but not so well. Usually I like to go cycling. It is my favorite type of exercise. Oh, actually, when I was young, I didn't practice cycling a lot, so I cannot cycle very well. Ah, if you are free sometime, I would love to show you, and when I can help you practice. Wow, really? That would be great. That would be great if you can help me. No one helped me practice cycling when I was young, so I cannot do it very well. When are you usually free? I think this weekend could be good. What are you doing on Saturday morning? Saturday morning? Ah, this Saturday I am busy, but maybe on Sunday I would have some free time to help you practice if you would like. Really? Sunday? That would be great. I have a bicycle, but I didn't use it for a long time. Ah, no problem. Bring your bicycle. I will meet you here at 9:30 on Sunday morning. Is that okay? Wow, that would be great. I would love that. Thanks very much. I will see you Sunday. Bye bye.